Hello there. Welcome to Learn English Idiom. Today let's learn about a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Meaning, it is better to hold on to something one has than to risk losing it by trying to get something better. Example sentences.
The first example.
I told Karen that she should walk away with her big winnings rather than go double or nothing. After all, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush.
The second example. Do not put your life savings into risky investments in the hope of higher returns. You may lose everything. Don't you know, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush.
Thank you for watching.